here. So another question, let's see, I have a very large complex weldment. I need to do detailed drawings of some of the more complex parts within the weldments. What would be the best approach to doing this? That's a good question. I think that the best method to do that is inside of SolidWorks. What you actually can do on the drawing is when you create a drawing view, you should have the ability to right-click on a weldment and isolate it. So let's go ahead and see here. There should be an option, and again, let me go ahead and just select on that guy, right-click on it. We can do a lock view, we can do an alignment. There should be an option in here, and I'm not seeing it at the moment, but you should be able to isolate a specific item. So if we create a new drawing view, you should be able to isolate a specific component from inside of it for a specific view. Alignment, reset our sketch visibility. And I'm drawing a blank on how to do that. I can get that answer for you. That's not a problem. I'll make a note of that, just to show you how that's possible. But you should be able to create a drawing view with a specific weldment and then actually isolate that weldment, so you can have a view specifically for that one.